Hey guys, and welcome back to the Cheer from Head to Toe channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a custom bag we got sent from Allstar Designs. I'm going to be telling you all the features of the bag and how you can get yours. But if we are just meeting for the first time, hi, my name is Caroline and this channel is dedicated to keeping you up to date with everything UK cheer. If you watch my videos, you know I love it, I breathe it, it brings me joy, and joy needs to be shared. So if you want to stay up to date with everything UK cheer, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification button so you don't miss a thing. Join the Cheer from Head to Toe fam. We are the best fam, and UK cheer is taking over. So we were sent this stunning bag, guys. You were going to absolutely adore it. When I received it, I was like, oh. Allstar Design provide cheerleaders and dancers uniforms, club kits and accessories. Their aim is to offer friendly and reliable service for the best price. Now here is this bag. I'm going to show you. It's absolutely stunning. Here we go. Here we go. A bit closer. Come on now. This is not beautiful, and it has our custom logo on the front. It's absolutely stunning. Obviously it's going to be in purple because that is our colours. Love, love, love. Now let's get to the nitty gritty, the features of the bag. Firstly, it has our logo on the front, the Cheer from Head to Toe logo. Hashtag us if you want to feature on our page. Little ad there. Yeah, but it comes with our logo on the front there, and these are made of AB Crystal Diamantes. It's gorgeous and it really sparkles in the sunshine. It's purple, if you cannot tell, purple and sparkly, which we love, and obviously we're going to get it purple because those are our colours. And then at the front here, this can be a little pouch, like a little front pocket, that's what I'm looking for, but it also comes off and can be a bum bag or a fanny pack, as some people say. So it comes off there and you can just wear this separately. Now this will be great for, like, when you get to competition and you bring your bag. I always bring a bum bag because I hate taking my whole bag around with me. I like leaving my bag, but you still want to take stuff, so this is really good. You can just put this on and go around. We'll also use this for other stuff like festivals, running, loads of good little things that you can use this for. Well, these are things I would use this for. So a little cute little bum bag, gorgeous, love that. So then once you take that off, the bag comes like that. So once we open it, it has a large compartment. There are two pockets at the front here, and there is a zip pocket at the back here. And it opens like forwards. So zip that back up. On the side here, it has like a little, I don't know what these are called. If you know, comment below. Little pocket thing, which I would put in a bottle or something, or hairspray, or any little components here that you know you just want to chuck and want easily accessible. Now on the other side, I really like this pocket. It's like a secret pocket you have in here. I normally put my water bottle in this component because I want my water bottle, but I don't always want it near, like, touching my stuff in case it leaks or something like that. It has a separate rear compartment at the back, so you can go, it has two zips there, so go all the way. It has a little pencil bit there, you can stick pens or whatever, but pens. It has a little zip at the front, which you can just put little things in, but it's actually quite deep. My whole hand can fit in there. And at the bottom here, it has another bottom extending compartment here. Most people put your shoes in here, but you can put whatever you would like in there. But I would probably put my shoes as well. It is quite big at the bottom here. Here, it's like fake leather. It's really soft. Now I've been using this bag for a little while just to test it all out. I've been using it in everyday life. I'm getting a lot of compliments. Some crazy looks because they're probably like, why has this lady got such a crazy sparkly bag? But I don't care, I love it. So yeah, this bag is gorgeous. I like the white detailing as well. I think it kind of brings the bag to life a bit. So I like the white detailing. I like, it's very functional. It has a lot of room in the bag, different compartments here. Just love it, love it. Although I would say one thing, back here, the back of the bag, like I know in other designs, it's got like a cushioning, but this is just like it's just material. It doesn't have that like padding. So just one thing to be aware of, that it doesn't have that. But I've still been using this bag and put my laptop in the back and it has been fine. So overall, I absolutely adore this bag. It's so beautiful. I'm going to be using it all this season. It's so nice to have a bag now that we match and have chip from head to toe on the front. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So if you want to get your team a bag like this, once again, this bag is kindly sent by Allstar Designs. If you want your own custom bag, then you need to have a minimum of 10 orders. You can get your own custom logo at the front. They do it in 3 different sizes. The bag costs £65, which I don't think is too bad in the field of cheer bags. It's gorgeous, it's practical. I've had it for a while now because I really do like to test out my products before I say what I think about them, and I really like this bag. Yeah, my only thing is the thing at the back, just beware, it's not cushioned, so it's not meant to be for your laptop, but I put my laptop in there and it's fine. I'm gonna be rocking this bag all season. Love it, love it, love it. I love the purple, I love the colours. Oh yeah, they do an array of colours there, and I'm sure there's most likely a colour that will suit your team. And the removable bung bag is on point. So that is it, guys. That is our review of our custom bag sent by Allstar Designs. You know, I love it. Purple, cheer from head to toe. Yeah, if you have any more questions, please comment below. I'd love to hear or answer your questions if you have any. Or what do you think of the bag? Do you like it? Obviously, I love it. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, give it a like and make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing. Join the Cheer from Head to Toe fam. But until next time, guys, sending so much love and joy to you all.